now moving to the second part of inserting different formulas called as sum, maximum and minimum. The procedure will be the same. Select the cell where the formulas results will be displayed. Select the functions icons on the toolbar above the worksheet to open the drop down. We are aware about this. Now, which three formulas I'm going to insert? I'm going to insert sum, maximum and minimum from the list to place a blank copy of the functions in the cell. Done. So now I'm going to the Google Sheet. You are able to see over here total. Total is nothing but sum. So what I'm going to do, I have selected the cell. After selecting the cell, step number 2 is we have to go to the function. On the functions, you are able to see the first function, that is sum. When I click on the sum, again it will ask me for the cells or the range of the cells. So I'm just dragging my mouse over here and press enter. When you press enter, you will be able to get the total as 50. Coming to the next formula, that is minimum. I require minimum marks among all these things. So what I am doing, I am going to the functions. Over here you are able to see minimum. Click on the minimum. Again select the range of the cell and click enter. You will get the minimum marks. Last, moving to the maximum marks. Again select the cell, go to the functions. You will be able to see maximum. When you click on the maximum, again it will ask you range of the cell. I'm selecting the maximum marks that a student has scored in English subject and press enter. You will be able to see that the maximum marks is 16. Now I'm converting the 16 into 20. You will be able to see the maximum marks as 20 and I'm giving 8 as the minimum. So you will be able to see 8 as the minimum marks. I'm just undoing that particular part. Now, in order to make the table more attractive, what I will be doing, I'll be just putting the borders over here. So, I'm selecting, you are able to see the options over here, borders. Click on it, select the first border. Again, over here, select it, click on the borders part and you will be able to get the borders. And if you want the text to be on the center, just click all the columns. Over here, you are able to see alignment. Click on the alignment as center or middle. You require the text where exactly at the top or in the middle or at the bottom. I'm selecting middle. So you will be able to see you are getting the text exactly at the center of the cell. So we have done borders, we have done the formatting, as well as we have inserted three formulas, that is sum, nothing but count or total over here. We have done the minimum and we have done the maximum.